Today we are unboxing my Bitsy bump box. When I was pregnant I used to get the bump box, but this is the Bitsy. This is for my son who is about 1.5 years now, and you get a box every month. This box is the Imagine box, as you see right here, and you get cute little toys. This is a little puzzle duo right here. It's super cute. Look how adorable. It has 8 different puzzles. It's supposed to be meant for kids that are 24 months and above, but like I said, my son right now is 1.5 years. This little boat whistle, it's so cute. It's made out of rubber wood, 100% eco-friendly and renewable. And right here, as you see, my little son just took a little seahorse, but we'll keep going. This is a Planting Seeds of Kindness book. It's a good little book to read with him on how little animals seed. So this is a seahorse that my 5-year-old took, and it's for ages 2 and above, but it's a little bath toy, so it's fun. And this is a little spinning puzzle. As you see here, one side is a car, the other side is like a car with a road. But my 5-year-old seems to like it, but it's meant for this one right here. Hello, I love you, honey. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
See you.